Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Cash App to your TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to get first of all your link. And basically by getting your Cash App link, you can then add it to your bio so you can get the transaction or to get sent money in uh, Cash App as a support or as gift cards or something similar to buy me a coffee or whatever. And basically, you will be needing to go to your profile picture. By clicking on a profile picture, you will need to go to your settings. And by going to your settings, you will be able to get your referral code or your link code. So from here, from the profile settings, you can see this sharing icon. And basically by clicking on share, you will be able to copy your link and then we will be needing just to add it to the TikTok bio. And simply we need just to go first to the TikTok and then you can go to the profile. By clicking on profile, you will be able to see your profile as follow. And now, after going to the profile or after click on setup profile or change profile, you will be able to start editing your profile. So basically, what we are interested in is to add a bio. By clicking on add a bio, you will need just to paste the link that you have. You can start adding some text for some clarification or whatever you like. And basically you will then save and then you can have your Cash App that has been linked to your TikTok. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.